Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 6 of our video series in which we are learning about different places in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 5 parts yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 6th part. Here comes the Korean word for palace, and that is 궁전. 궁전. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say cemetery in Korean, and it is called 묘지. 묘지. Next comes the Korean word for tower, and that is 탑. 탑. Now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for amphitheater, and it is 원용극장. 원용극장. Okay, next comes the Korean word for water tower, and that is 급수탑. 급수탑. Now let's see the Korean word for kiosk, and that is 매점. 매점. Next, let's see the word for motel in Korean. Now there are two words. One is a loan word, and that is motel. Motel. It is very easy. And another one is 여관. 여관. 여관 is a traditional style inn or guest house. Okay, so basically motel, it refers to a modern style motel, and 여관 is a traditional style guest house. Okay, next comes the Korean word for castle, and that is 성. 성. Very easy. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say bathhouse in Korean, and that is 목욕탕. 목욕탕. Now the last one is the Korean word for cathedral, and that is 대성당. 대성당. You can also call it 성당. Okay, it is also the Korean word for cathedral, but the proper word for it is 대성당. Alright? Okay, so today we learned 10 words for different places in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.